Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can link your Battle.net account to your Overwatch 2 account. So it's a very simple process. All you have to do is just simply open a browser and go to Battle.net. Now from there just simply click on your profile icon over here, then click on account settings. Now from there just simply click on connections, then scroll down and choose whichever device you're using currently, like Xbox or PlayStation. Then just simply choose that, then click on connect, then again click on continue. Now over here just simply enter the email address or the sign-in ID of your PlayStation or Xbox if you're using Xbox. So just simply enter that. So just simply enter your login ID and password and click on login or sign in. Then click on continue. Now after that just simply click on back to connections, and over there you will see your PlayStation ID is now connected to your Battle.net account. After that what you have to do is just simply go to your PlayStation, and if your game is on just simply turn it off and then again turn the game on. And after you do that, again a SMS pop-up should appear, so just simply wait for it. Here a new SMS pop-up has appeared. Now over here what you have to do is just simply enter your mobile number in the Battle.net account wherever you may want. So let me show you how you can do that as well. So as you can see over here, just simply enter the phone number in the Battle.net account, and after that you will receive a verification code, and just simply enter that. Then after doing that just simply hit continue, and after all of that just simply click on attach SMS on your PlayStation. Now after that a new page should appear, which is the Battle.net login ID and password page. So over here just simply enter your login ID and password for your normal Battle.net account, then click continue and again continue. Then restart your Overwatch 2, and after the restart when you turn the game back on, you should be able to click on play and should be able to play the game. So that's it, and thank you for watching. And do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.